Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a continuation of the video on the sources of energy in India. Let us first begin with Urja Gram program that was initiated or started during the 7th 5-year plan. So it was inaugurated in India on the 2nd of October 1989. This scheme was developed in villages of India so that they can utilize the local resources and the energy resources. Those resources which are renewable in nature, they can be utilized and conserved and used in a sustainable manner. So the main aim of Urjagram is to basically utilize the renewable energy and also to conserve them. Now let's talk about solar energy. The source of solar energy is the sun, which is a source of inexhaustible source of energy. Inexhaustible means that it cannot be easily exhausted or utilized or it cannot be easily depleted. So solar energy is transmitted from the sun as solar rays or electromagnetic radiations. So the earth intercepts or receives only a small part of the radiation, but this fraction is equivalent to around 754 million kilowatts hours per year. That is a lot of energy. So solar energy can be converted into thermal energy or heat energy with the help of solar collectors and receivers. So they are solar panels which can receive the solar energy and the rays and convert them into thermal energy. So there are some solar thermal devices that uses solar energy converted into heat energy for various purposes like water heating, space heating, that is the area heating, cooking, drying, water desalination, industrial process heating, steam generation for industrial purposes, and power generation. So, solar energy can be used in various ways, basically, three important ways. The first one is in the form of heat energy, then, second is in the form of organic chemical energy through photosynthesis, which is basically being utilized by the green plants. Third is in the form of photovoltaic power, that means generating electricity by solar energy. Now let's talk about solar photovoltaic program or technology, which enables us to convert the solar radiations into electricity. So, based on single crystal solar cells of silicon, several devices are used in this field. They are used for making solar lanterns, for making domestic lights, or street lights, or railway signals. So, this SPV technology is successfully installed and used in large number of villages in India. So, that is a kind of a revolution which is brought in India for electricity. It is basically helping in rural revolution or development and progress. Even the isolated areas in the hilly regions or the forested regions are also connected with the help of SPV technology. Through SPV technology, we can also use solar energy for various appliances at home like fans, then TVs, refrigerators, heaters, etc. Now let's talk about geothermal energy. So geo means earth, thermal means heat energy. So this is basically the energy or the heat energy which is derived from the interior of the earth, because inside the earth the temperatures are extremely high. So if you have noticed that the water of hot springs as well as geysers are extremely hot, they are a source of great amount of thermal or heat energy. There had been a 10-year-old study conducted by the Geological Survey of India (GSI) that showed that India has a lot of or tremendous potential of producing geothermal energy. So there are several hot springs as well as geysers which are found in India. Around 113 hot springs are there in India that can produce nearly 10,600 megawatts of electricity. Many Western countries are actually using this geothermal energy to produce heat energy in their homes to generate electricity. Two important geothermal projects which have been launched in India on an experimental basis so that the geothermal energy can be used and converted into electricity. One site is located at the Parvati Valley, which is in Himachal Pradesh, and the other one is at Pyuga Valley in Ladakh. These are the places where hot springs and geysers are found.